welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more content from moi, and leave a comment if you do choose so, just so I can hear from you and you can hear back from me. Now, with all that said, y'all see? Do y'all see my little locks of love? I am locked, y'all, again. This time, your girl is in love. Well, I was in love the last time, but yeah, y'all know the tea with that. But I am finally sister locked. 28 hours later, and here I am. 2 weeks later, again, here I am. I am super excited, super stoked. I love my hair. I have been getting great feedback on it, and it's just awesome to fall in love with something just from the start. And I know from here on out, I'm going to be hooked. I'm going to be still in love, and yeah, I just can't wait till these babies just grow. Now, with that being said, yes, I said that this took 28 hours. I might have said 27 before. I'll check. But 27 to 28 hours, all of this took. It took through the course of 3 days. I've been hearing people say, oh, you was there for 28 hours? For real, sis. For real. It took all of 3 days to complete this. I started on a Friday, which was January 10th. And let me sit up straight, y'all, because I was getting lazy and trying to relax and talk to y'all like this. And my double chin action just ain't working for me. But on another note, damn, I forgot what I was saying. Damn, double chin, you ain't gotta distract me. Like I was saying, it took 27 to 28 hours. Started on January 10th on a Friday. I started from 7 a.m. to about 8:40 p.m. And then I came back on Saturday, January 11th, which I was praying and hoping that my date can be 111. Like, angel numbers, that's God. I was just so stoked that I could be finished that day, and that didn't happen. That day, we did exactly 12 hours, and we had close to half my hair, or actually we didn't. We had majority of my hair locked or interlocked, but it was like maybe this portion, maybe what is this, 25% of my head, if that, not locked. So yeah, I came in the third day. That was on Sunday, and I was in there from 9 o'clock, give or take 9 o'clock, and to I left around, I think, like 1:30ish. And again, like I said, I'm super excited. Let me give you guys a spin.
Let you see if I can fully spin over here.
Not hit the wall. But yeah, I'm super excited. Right now, I just have it pinned up. It's, again, I said this in my previous video, my top part of my hair is much longer than the sides of my hair in the back, because I had an undercut and shave sides when I started, and I'm just basically growing that out. It's no like real rhythm to my haircut. I thought that it would come out looking like a pixie cut, but that was a lie, and it's not. But overall, I still like it. It's still cute. I still do things. You know, just the other day, I had all my hair pinned up into a little bun up top and this hanging. It was really cute. Or sometimes I wear it in a bang just to the side and this up. I've noticed that I could also French twist, or, you know, do a little roll and tuck thing in the front and leave the back out. Overall, there's a lot I can do with my hair being this short, and I'm happy about it. I have no complaints. Yeah, so my installation was done in 3 days, and I was kind of hesitant to give you guys this envelope, Lord Jesus, to give y'all this video, because my scalp has been really, really dry, and I wanted to kind of, figure that out first and wash it. But my fear was that I would shrink a little bit more once I wash it, even though I've been spraying it like hell. That if I wash it, it'll shrink, and I wanted to give it to you guys at its fine and glory, just in case things change. And plus, I am so scared of slippage, so scared that I've been avoiding to wash my hair. And another thing, I'm not quite sure if I can. Let me come a little closer. I'm not sure if I can really braid and band this because the back of my hair is too short for me to braid, and I'm not a braider like that. I don't know how to do hair, so I should have thought about that when I got my consultation, but I didn't. I thought I could do it, and just getting my hands back here. Maybe if I didn't have my nails, I could do it. Maybe I can just twist it. Maybe twisting it, but again, I have to braid it and put a rubber band on and clip it, all that. I just know that that's something I can't do right now, and it's just, I'm struggling here. But right now, that's my only real struggle, having to combat dandruff and dry scalp and being able to wash my hair, which I take that over anything. I don't want to discuss price, even though I was looking at some videos and I asked a couple people, like, what are your, comments or questions that you have for Sisterlocks? And they told me, basically what I just said, how long it take and how much. And I really don't want to get into price, but I went to a trainee and my price wasn't that bad as it would be with the actual consultant. So I'm still good on that side. I go for my first appointment on the 11th. So that'll be my 4th week. Yeah, my 4th week appointment. And right now, I have noticed some imperfections. Not so much, just slight. I think it was like one up in here that wasn't like locked. And back here, I'm guessing because I'm spraying and it's short back here that it's going to slip a little bit. So I have noticed that at the root, it is a little leeway than the ones all over my head. And I know it's not growth. So I can't say there's probably slippage. Another thing, she did braid a couple pieces. I know I have, let me see if I can find it. I have this little, nope, that ain't it. Ooh, sis, where you at? It's so small, y'all, that I know I can't get it. See if I can turn this light on. Y'all see this? This one is, I don't think that's it either. Yeah, this is it. This is the one braided. It's one up in here. Look, I'm going to tell y'all this is really, really dry. It's dry, so don't judge me, y'all. It's one up in here that's, I can't even find it right now. And it probably slipped out. Because it's so small. Oh, here it go. Yeah, it's slipping. Yeah, it's slipping. This right here, again, this is a plait that she plaited. So, get my do back in order. So yeah, I have a couple plaits in here, which I am totally fine with that. In my last video, I said that she was talking about braiding the whole back, and my hair grew to the point where she didn't need to braid anything. Let me turn this light off. It's a little annoying. She didn't need to braid anything. Everything was able to fit in her tool, and she was able to do her thing, and I'm so glad, like, so glad. She did give me a couple things in my swag bag, one of which is a mug that I thought was so cute. When she showed it to me, I haven't taken it out the box to use it. I was waiting to do this video, and because my scalp did not want to, cooperate, I just decided that I was gonna wait. And I'm like, sis, don't wait. Do this because you about to wash your hair soon, and then you'll be mad that you didn't do it before you washed your hair. But I got this little mug. It says Sisterlocks. That's who installed my locks here in DC area. It's a cute little mug. It's a little dirty inside, but it's a cute little mug, and I love myself some tea. Excuse me for stuttering. And yeah, that's just really nice. I got some spray. Also, I got some rubber bands, which are in the living room area. I'm not gonna go get that, but just know I got some rubber bands, and that's basically what it's colorful, and I'm basically gonna use that to wash my hair. Hopefully tonight. I don't know. The way it's looking, it's 10:53 already. I know I'm not gonna wash it. Another thing I got is this 360 Mr. Sprayer with her famous. It ain't famous for real, but I call it her famous remedy to spray to help combat dandruff, itch, and all that good jazz. I love it. Give it a little swish swish. I ain't going to bed just yet. It feels so good on my scalp, and it's love. I bought another mister from her before, and if you ever seen my video, which you may have in the first video, there's a purple looking one like this, and it was a little bigger. I use this as a loose natural, and again, just to wet my hair, to comb it out, and all that other stuff, to detangle and all that, which is, it works. So loose natural, locks, anybody says, bruh, can have this. Brother locks, all this you can have. Even traditional locks. This is for you. Like, find her, hit her up, tell her, give you some of this magic juice, and yeah. Another thing I got was some instructions. It's basically an after your locking session. It says, here are some tips to make your Sisterlock experience go as smoothly as possible. It says, follow the shampoo instructions in your starter kit. Most importantly, be sure to bundle braid sections of your hair together and tuck the ends and secure with a rubber band barrette prior to shampooing. Rinsing thoroughly is very important. It says separate your locks from the root after you shampoo. This is important to keep your locks from joining together. Make sure to dry your hair thoroughly before going to bed. This prevents mildew and odor from forming in your locks. It says avoid oil-based products for at least the first 12 months. After getting your locks, you are in the settling in phase. Where's my camera? Now that part is a tough one. It says softening agents found in moisturizers and conditioners can cause your hair to resist the locking process and cause buildup. What's about to build up is these dandruffs in my scalp. So that's why I really need to get the braiding and banding and stuff together, because it's not cute. It's real not cute. Put that down. Next I got here is my customer starter kit. This is the Sisterlock logo here. And again, Sisterlocks is a trademark and registered trademark. And here in this box is my, let's see. I did open it, so I know what's in it, but let's see. It's my starter shampoo. This is about 4 ounces. So I wonder how long that's going to last me. And I heard a couple bad things about this. I haven't tried it, but I'm real life scared to use it. And that's another thing. I don't have any shampoo in my house that is not moisturizing. So yeah, that's another reason. I've heard bad horror stories that like this dries your hair out or your scalp out more. And I'm real life scared. So if you guys have Sisterlocks and you use that, like for your first time, tell me how you liked it, because I'm real life scared. And if you have dandruff situation in your scalp, and it helped clear it up, again, tell me, let me know, give me the details, give me the tea. Again, I got some rubber bands, and this is basically what my rubber bands look like, but they're plastic that Hippie Locks gave me. That's my consultant. It has this little place card here. It says, once your consultant tells you your hair has passed through the settling phase, you can move up to regular Sisterlock products: green tea shampoo, salon formula, moisture treatment, herbal spray, moisturizer, and reconstructor, and dandruff. So that's cool. And then here is directions to tell you how to wash, which is basically what I just read in her instructions. Let me keep this together. Next here is helpful tips for your Sisterlocks. I'm not going to read all this because it seems like it's a lot, but girl, go somewhere. I'm trying to find out where to put the box. It's just not going with me. It says Sisterlocks will change your thinking. It will. Like, I really love my hair, and I feel girly. I feel like me. So I really love my hair. But yeah, this is just more tips on, you know, how to keep up your hair and what the procedures are, things like that. I'm not going to go into the tea, but that can be in a later video if you want. Leave a comment below. Tell me if you want to know what's in this little green packet, because, hey, you know, you never know. Next in this little box we have, okay, it's an envelope, but attached to that envelope is oh, my little certificate, my birthday certificate. So I am just to fill this out. Here it is, my birth certificate that I am supposed to fill out and send that in, and they give me, I guess, something that gives me my birth certificate to frame, I guess. It also says that if I pay a fee of $29.95 plus tax, I can receive a special welcome kit along with my certificate. Kit includes a 1 to 13 ounce heavy ceramic deco mug with Sisterlock's Flying Lady logo, a 1 purse size logo notebook, and a 1 Sisterlock tote bag and 1 souvenir pen. I ain't interested for all that, but it's cute. Go ahead, Black Sister. Go ahead. Either way, this is what I got into my goodie bag from my consultant. And again, I can't be any more happier to be locked right now. So again, I said I was gonna make this video short. I hope I did. If it's not, I'm sorry. But again, I am glad you guys tuned in with me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And if you want, just go ahead and leave a comment. Actually, I would love if you go ahead and leave a comment and tell me how your day is. Tell me how your Sisterlocks are going. Or even if you're considering it, just tell me about it. So yeah, see y'all on the flip side. I love y'all forever. Bye.
Fire!